This is a demo of TypeRoof shell and how to load and change state into it. For that, we start at fontbureau.github.io/typeroof/docs, which contains a link to the states library demos directory. I'm opening it in a new tab. There we find a list of json.txt state files which we can load into the TypeRoof shell. I'm opening hello goodbye JSON.txt in a new tab. Find a raw JSON file which I select all and copy into my clipboard. Go back to the docs page and open the link to TypeRoof shell in a new tab. TypeRoof shell is already loaded in its default video-proof array version 2 layout. There are other layouts. One of these, with the state that we are going to load, is using. To load the state, I open the application meta dropdown and press Save, Load, Share. This opens a dialog which enables us to paste the JSON into the serialized data text field. I press Deserialize and that's it. I exit the dialog, and now when I press play in the time control, I can see a small animation running in a loop for us. Can also use the time control circle to control time and go to a specific time. I open the stage manager, and in the stage manager all the actors that are on stage can be controlled. In this case there's only one line of text which can be selected or not selected. I open the properties dropdown. When line of text is selected, we see all the properties of the line of text. When it's not selected, nothing is selected in this case, we see the properties of the stage. I'm going to select line of text and we'll have a closer look at this. Actually, let's move the hello animation more into the into the screen so we can see what we're doing. We have 5 key moments in here which control the animation of the line of text, and I'm interested in changing some of the text of the animation. So the first text is in hello light outside right, which has a custom label which you can give it, and scrolling down to the text content field. I want to add a comma to this. You see on stage the comma was also added there. I'm going to collapse this key moment again and select the goodbye key moment. Actually, for the demo, for the sake of the demo, I'm going to show you that editing is live. I want to change the goodbye text content to a more British English version, which I just did, and it's already applied in the animation. So now I'm happy with my state. And I'm going to export it again. For this, I go back to the application meta, drop down and press Save or Share again. And in here I can serialize the state, which gives me exactly the state that is loaded in the app right now. I'm not happy with the time because I want to have to start it at 0, just as before. So I'm going to do that just as a demo. I'm going to deserialize that state, and you're going to notice that the time control will jump to 0 as soon as I press the button. That's it. So I can copy the state and share it with my friends. Thanks.